Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my session. I am Dr. Vimala, Head of the Department of English, JMJ College for Women, Tenali. Today, let me talk to you about Of Studies by Francis Bacon. First, know about Francis Bacon. Francis Bacon was born on January 22, 1561 in London, England. Bacon studied in Trinity College. He became a member of the House of Commons at the age of 23. He was one of the key intellectuals of the Renaissance. He was an English philosopher, statesman, scientist who made significant contribution to various fields including philosophy, science, law and literature. He is also known as the father of English essays. His essays or his observations, pearls of wisdom. In this presentation, we will explore Francis Bacon's famous essay, Of Studies. We will analyze its structure, theme, style and continuing its relevance. This essay of studies combines practical wisdom, and the book it was published in 1597 and revised in 1625. Of Studies, it is the masterpiece essay written by Francis Bacon. He illustrates the importance of studies in human life and explores the value of purpose of education. This is one of Bacon's most admired essays, often quoted in classrooms and also speeches. The style of writing is, it was written in aphoristic style. What is meant by aphoristic style? So, it emphasizes a strong impression, uses short memorable phrases or statements that convey a general truth or principle. Aphorisms are typically brief, clever, wise sayings and thought-provoking to make the readers to remember and quotable. Bacon's sentences are short but deep. They feel like proverbs and quotes packed with timeless advice. And coming to Of Studies, he emphasizes studies serve three main purposes, that is for delight, ornament and ability. And when we come to delight, reading and learning can bring joy and pleasure for personal satisfaction. And also the purpose is ornament. It enhances one's conversational skills. And also coming to ability, students, that is studies improve one's judgment, cleverness in thinking, decision making and problem solving skills. Bacon tells us why we study: to enjoy learning, to speak well and to act wisely. These are the foundations of intellectual and practical growth. The more a man studies, the farther he is away from an animal. We must use this knowledge in conversation, then only our studies become fruitful. He compares natural abilities are like natural plants. A person's natural abilities are enhanced by studies, but studies without experience lead to confusion in dealing with the outside world. Crafty men condemn studies. Simple men admire them. Wise men use them. Studies are wonderful only influenced by experience. Bacon warns us not to misuse study. It should serve life. Knowledge should be applied wisely. Studies must be tested by practice. And he also illustrates reading styles. Bacon illustrates $1 million of words in this essay of studies. Books are generally three types. Some books to be tasted, some swallowed, few to be chewed and digested. A brilliant metaphor. Not every book deserves deep study. Choose wisely and read according to purpose. And what are the benefits of reading? When we come to benefits of reading, Bacon emphasizes the importance of reading and writing. Reading makes a full man. Conference makes a ready man. Writing makes an exact man. So, each skill, reading, conference, writing, all these skills complements the other. Reading fills you the knowledge, discussion or conversation makes a man quick thinking and writing sharpens logically. And books also serves as remedies. Bacon found a reason behind studying a particular subject. When we come to read history, it makes a man wise, while you study a poetry makes him witty. Mathematics makes a man exact and brings subtleness. Natural philosophy increases the depth of mind, whereas the study of logic and rhetoric makes a person more comprehensive, and it also helps the art of speaking in argumentative. And also, when we come to Bacon, points out that every defect in mind can be cured by choosing the appropriate subject for the study, and compares books to medicine. Each subject corrects a particular mental weakness and strengthens reasoning. Inattentiveness can be cured by the study of mathematics. Bowling is good for bladder and kidneys. Shooting is good for lungs. Gentle walking for the stomach issues, and riding is good for head. Similarly, mathematics is the remedy for a wandering mind. In this manner, there is a study for every weakness. Bacon's essay reflects his belief in logic, science, and practicality. He values knowledge only when he, that is, it comes to, that is, when it is useful. He values knowledge only when it's useful. And it is also of studies, this essay is a timeless wisdom. This essay is a product of its age. The essay highlights the importance of education. His ideas remain relevant today, emphasizing the value of reading, learning, and applying knowledge in various aspects of life. Even it is relevant today. And the essay supports value-based education. It encourages balance between study and experience. Even after 500 years, Bacon's essays still speaks to us. It's practical advice for students, professionals, and lifelong learners. And the famous quotes, when we recap, reading makes a full man. Some books are to be tasted. History makes man wise. All these quotes are famous for a reason. They express important truths in memorable language. And when we come to conclusion, Bacon brings forth the importance of studies and its related concepts. So the studies promotes deep thinking, and studies helps in personality development. It builds confidence in communication, and studies are valuable when used wisely. Bacon's essays is not just about books, it's about life. How to learn, how to think, and how to act. This essay is a must read for students. It inspires learning, discipline, and personal improvement. Thank you. Good morning, everybody.